Hi Diva lovers, and welcome back to the Queen of the Craft Room. Now, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell on, so each time I upload, you'll be the first to know. Now, with all that, let's go DIY. Which was supposed to be only project one, but as I said, one spoiled, so we're going to do two. So I got these mirror, I believe these are 8-inch mirror plat. I don't remember where I got them, believe me or not, but I have them for a while. I don't want to show you, but it's three of them. I'm still aiming for a candle holder. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put them together like this. I probably give them some feet and still do my, how this look? Still do my candle holder thing, which means I have to close up the back, put something in the back. I'm gonna put some rhinestone, I guess, around the perimeter, or whatever you want to call it, around the mirrors. So I'm gonna put some glitter around the mirrors. Do something with the back because the back cannot stay like this. And I'll be back, huh? Okay guys, so this is what we have. I put some glitter around it, all three. So I'm going to glue them together. And this is gonna sit for 24 hours. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. It is so simple, guys. So simple. Very, very simple. And I hate simple. So as soon as it's dry, as I said, I have to let it dry for 24 hours. I can't do nothing else to it right now, because if I try to do anything with it, it's gonna break apart. And it's a gift, so I want it to set so the mirrors them won't come apart. Okay. So I see in 24 hours, my 24 hours might be another 5 minutes. Okay? Okay guys, this is what we look like. So I did went ahead and put on some flowers because it was looking too blah. And these are the stickers, 12 piece from Crafter Square from the Dollar Tree, you can see. So I went ahead and put on some around the mirror, and it still looked too blah, so I'm gonna put some stones on top. Okay, so I'm finished. Now what I'm gonna do for the back, I have some silver stuff that I picked up from Joann's, and I got them last week. They're like 10 for $2. So I'm gonna put this in the back to cover up the back. See? So I'm gonna put this in the back, cover up the back on both sides. We can find a pencil to mark it, but you get the idea, right? I don't want the back looking like that, so I'm gonna cover up the back. Cover up both sides. Okay, so this is how my back is looking. So my back is finished. So I wanted to give it some feet. So I'm gonna elevate her. Now I got these, it's not tissue roll, it's label rolls from work. So I'm gonna paint them silver, and I probably put on some stone on them. So I'm gonna paint these silver. Put on some stone on them. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to elevate them like this. Exactly like that. I kind of have two choices here. I can paint them, or I can just put the silver stock on them and just put them on the bottom. Or paint them and put the stone on them. So I have two choices. So when I come back, you'll see which one I go with. Okay, so I did wrap the leg in silver with a silver glitter, but it looked too plain. So what I'm gonna do is quickly put on some gemstones on it. I was gonna put on some more flowers on the foot, but I'll say that's gonna be too much. So I'm putting on some gemstone on the foot. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is it without candlelight. I'm going to show you when it's light. and this is it when it's lid. I love this. So this is a perfect Mother's Day gift. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Alright guys, so if you like this project, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, turn your notification bell on, so each time I upload you will be the first to know. Until then guys, God bless you, love you guys, ciao.